So if you're starting to see a reduction in performance of your windscreen wipers, whether it's just carrying too much dirt when you're trying to use them under heavy load, or you're starting to get a little bit of juddering, it doesn't necessarily mean that they're toast and they're ready for the bin. Sometimes all that's required is a little bit of discerning cleaning. And what I'm about to show you is a good maintenance tip that I personally do every 3 to 4 months just to keep the windscreen wipers up to spec. Now what I'm about to show you, as I said, I do every 3 to 4 months. And what you will find, especially coming into the season that we're coming into now, is when you're using your windscreen wipers, especially under sometimes not the most amount of rain, so when you're doing a lot of dry wiping, what you will actually begin to notice is that underneath your wipers, you're going to start to get a buildup of kind of gunk and junk and crunchy bits. So when you are operating it like this, one, you've got a lot of abrasives underneath the actual windscreen wiper. So if you've got any products like Glass Plus on your screen, it's actually going to remove them super quick because it's abrasive. And then also you're going to start seeing a bit of harp, which again could be a number of things, but usually contamination levels are quite a big kind of factor of it. So I've got a lightly colored towel I'm going to show you. Now again, this is a car that doesn't get daily driven for obvious reasons, and you're just going to see just exactly how much stuff it pulls off. So we're going to spray a bit of undress. I like undress because it's a dedicated rubber degreaser, so it'll penetrate beautifully, and you will now see just how much embedded contaminants we're going to get. Whoa, watch this. That's quite bad. Now what you're going to see is progressively, in fact I'm going to keep the same side, I'm going to put it to the north side of the towel. You're going to see that progressively it gets less and less. So use it on this side. Beautiful. There we are. It's still pulling dirt, but it's getting less. Now we're going to go to your clean side. Now the purpose of doing this is, first of all, you're exfoliating and penetrating the actual rubber blades. And second of all, we're going to recoat them in a second with more Glass Plus, which basically what that will do is it will keep, see I just keep pulling. Come on Nigel, you could have looked after your windscreen wipers a bit better. I hope he watches this video. So basically the Glass Plus, which is going to sit on the rubber nicely, is going to actually play nicely with the Glass Plus on the actual windscreen. And what that will do is actually make the windscreen wiper super slick. There we are, look, it's getting less and less and less. I'm going to do it one more hit. You're going to see the difference. There we go. Barely anything on it. Now, I don't want to completely strip all the oils within the windscreen wipers themselves, but you've just seen how much progressively we're getting less and less. Now, even on visual inspection, they are super clean. Now, the glass is coated with Glass Plus. We've now got a surface that is, there's going to be a difference in slickness, right? So slick, now not very slick. So the goal for this is to stop and repel, theoretically, when something is slick. Again, everything will ever always get dirty, but the theoretics of slickness on surfaces, porous and non-porous, is the contaminant should hit and kind of keep moving. Eventually it'll have to kind of bind and stick, but that's the whole goal. You try and get your car as slippery as possible to get you to that next wash, that next maintenance wash. Then when you clean a slick surface, you just rinse and repeat. It's a cat and mouse game. So the rubber right now feels great, but unslick. We're going to put a little bit of Glass Plus on and we'll be back in business. So just on the corner of my final wipe towel, I've got a bit of Glass Plus, and now basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to coat it nice and evenly. Get it in there. I might pinch the towel, it'll be easier. So what you want to do is just pinch the blade and run your finger down. Right. There we are. And then you get a clean side of a towel that isn't wet. And you just want to remove it. Oh, now that's slick. Like you can just feel it instantly. There we are, boosh. And that, guys, is how you do windscreen wiper maintenance. Like I said, this is just a good discerning ownership experience for you to every so often just lift them up. You've seen it's not a lot. Now, during your maintenance washes, I always run a brush down there. When you lift, obviously, the arms, when you get it in, and sometimes the car sat for, you know, a couple of days, you want to just take something a little bit stronger, a little bit more dedicated. Like you've seen, it took me 2 minutes, degrease them, recoat them with Glass Plus, you're back in business. So when he's now going to be using his windscreen wipers, 1, there's going to be no judder. 2, it's going to repel the contaminants which are going to be landing, whether it's pollen in the summer or salts and other things in the winter. And it just keeps this area, which is the main safety factor of the car, the clearest possible. You'll have no streaks, no judders, and it'll just be a wonderful experience every time you drive in the rain. I hope this helped, and I'll catch you all, guys, on the next one. Thank you.